Today we'll be learning about how to use Prism Live Studio on your mobile device. Before that, let me give a brief introduction about Prism Live Studio. So, it is a popular mobile app that allows users to create engaging live streams, videos, and photos with various effects and features. So, with Prism Live Studio, users can enhance their content and connect with audience in creative way. So in order to use this application on your mobile device, first thing first, you have to download and install from any Play Store or App Store if you haven't yet. And the second thing, you have to launch the Prism Live Studio app on your device. So when you open the Prism Live Studio, the first section will be shown in this way. If you are a new user, you can sign up for an account. But if you already have an account, you can easily sign in to the Prism Live Studio application. If you want to set a stream, you can tap on the live button and click on the radio option here and easily set up stream. While you are on the section, you can configure the settings such as when you go on the top right corner, it is the profile icon, tap on it, and here this page you need to tap on the profile again, and you can see the gear icon next to your username as well. Click on it, and here are different settings. You can configure the settings. Here the live settings, you can tap on stream destinations and connect stream services. You can connect with Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and all other applications as well. After that, you can customize the video settings as well. So the resolution when saving edited videos, you can tap on it and you can customize this option as well. For now, let's keep as it is. You can also customize all other settings here, such as the screen resolution when connected, screen bitrate when connected, and all other things. You can go and visit in this page and customize it. After you are done with that, you can come back again, and here next to the camera option you can see the screen. You can click on the screen button here. Here are the two kind of layout given for your live screen. So you can choose portrait, or else you can also choose the landscape. Here you can hold the screen in this way to landscape. Here are also different settings at the right hand side of this page. You can tap on the plus button, and if you want to add different kinds of sources here, such as chat, wave, image, and VTuber, you can easily add any sources. Let's tap on chat. So if you want disappearing chat messages, then you can click on it and you can choose any option here. For now, we have set on turn off. You can also customize the text opacity, the chat colors, and the font style. The widget style also are here. If you want to choose any of them, you can choose, and after that you can click on save and save it. And the next is the wave. You can click on the wave, and on this wave you can add the links of stream elements as well. You can give the title, and if you want to show the wave source at the top of the screen during the live, you can toggle on in this way. If you don't want, then you can toggle off and click on the save button at the right hand side. And here you can also add emails, YouTuber, and many other. Let's go back. After you have customized all the settings, if you want to do live streaming, you can click on live, which is at the bottom of the screen. If you want to capture any video, you can tap on video, or else you can also tap on photo and take any photo. If you want to connect to the PC or the remote control, you can tap on connect and easily connect by scanning the QR code. And here when you tap on VTuber, here you can easily select any avatar, or you can also change and customize this avatar. If you don't like this one, you can tap on gear or the settings icon at the right hand side in this way. So you can select any motions for this avatar, the motion as well. And let's tap on done at the top right corner of the screen in this way. And you can also click on the images. which is below, and select the background and edit the background. After you have done selecting and customizing all the features which is in this Prism Live Studio. So once you have done customizing your stream with features available such as effects, filters, text, and configuring the settings, then you can start the streaming. For that, you can click on this ready button in this way, and you can broadcast on the platform you want here. And after you have done, you can easily live stream on this Prism Live Studio. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment if you have any queries regarding any issues. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.